If your shipping process requires you create labels but don't need to print them immediately, Ordoro's Print Later option is for you. This feature allows you to create labels without printing them immediately, and then it puts the labels in a list of unprinted labels for you to print whenever you need. Once you print them at that point, it will move them from the unprinted list. This tutorial will demonstrate how to get your labels in the unprinted list and how to find and print the unprinted labels. So starting off, we're right here on the dashboard, we have action items, and right here you can see that 2 labels have not been printed. So that's one way to get to unprinted labels, but let's go ahead and see how to put the labels in an unprinted list. So I'm in my orders page, and let's say I'm going to create labels for these orders. Once I create the labels, it's going to give me the print options. I can go ahead and select all those options and print it now, or I can hit this print later button. What that does is it puts those orders went to the shipped filter, and if I go to the shipped filter and select unprinted only, select that checkbox, it's going to show me, and now I have 4 orders that do not have the labels printed yet. So in order to move those out of the unprinted filter, all we'll do is select the orders, and then select whatever printing options we want over here, and then hit print. We'll get our print preview of the labels here, and then when we're back on the orders shipped tab, we'll see that it's refreshed and there are no longer any orders in our unprinted only filter. And that's basically all there is to it. If you have any questions about it, please let us know. Thanks for watching.